Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the best fish fry. It's very easy and very simple. It only has a few ingredients and I bet you're gonna love this recipe. Let's start. We are going to make the marinade. Firstly, get 2 teaspoons of chili powder. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. After that, grind some ginger, garlic and chili into a paste and add 2 teaspoons of it. Add salt as per taste and some lime juice to enhance the flavour, and mix all the ingredients really well so it will come like a reddish colour. This paste will make our fish taste really nice and crispy and have all that sort of beautiful taste. Then we are going to apply this batter onto the fish. Apply it on really well so the fish is coated with this red masala. Apply it on really well so the fish has that taste. Next, apply some semolina. The reason why we add semolina, it'll give that fish a good crispy texture and plus all the oil will absorb when you cook it. It's optional to use semolina or you could use breadcrumbs instead, but we are using semolina. Preheat a pan and then add some oil, and after that add your fish and fry it. And get the other fish and do the exact same. And then once that's happened, cook it until it's a nice dark colour. And ta-da! Now it's ready. We can serve it. It's better to eat it nice and hot than when it gets cold. So thank you for watching this video and please try this. Tell me your results in the comments and enjoy and have a nice day. Bye!